In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off voice chat on Roblox. So to start, go to roblox.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon. Now, once you click that, tap on settings. Next, what you need to do is to click on privacy and content restrictions. Now, scroll down until you find the option communication, tap on it. And in here, you have three choices: experience chat, party, and live collaboration in studio. So what you need to do is to tap on experience chat. And once you're in here, make sure you select off in experience chat and also on direct chat. So make sure you turn it off. Once you turn it off, your microphone will no longer be used for voice chat in Roblox. And now to summarize, so go to settings. Now, once you're inside settings, go to privacy and content restrictions. And once you've done that, you need to go to communication and tap on experience chat and turn off experience chat and direct chat. And that's it. That's how you turn off voice chat on Roblox using a laptop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. See you in the next one.